All right, welcome back everybody to I Love Infusionsoft. We've got another tip for you here from Greg Jenkins at Monkey Pop Marketing. And Greg, today, what do you have for us?
Okay, so when it comes to importing contacts into Infusionsoft, there's a few things I would improve, but there is one glaring flaw, in my opinion, for the import process. Whenever you import a spreadsheet of contacts, it always, every time, creates entirely new contact records for everyone on that sheet.
So Greg, we ran into this one this morning, sorry to interrupt, but Matt came to me this morning. He's like, hey, we've got a client who has like the smallest account, only 1,500 contacts. He's got like 900 in there already, and he's got 4 different lists from different things. He needs to import them all. How do we get them all in there? And you've got the solution.
Yeah, so this is a pain point for people, especially when they're up against their contact threshold and they want to get people in there, but they know some of those contacts are already in there, or maybe all of those contacts are already in there. So there is a solution. It's a feature in the admin data cleanup section that a lot of people don't know about. It's called Modify Existing Records. And it exists right for this purpose. So if you know that people on your spreadsheet are already in your database, Modify Existing Records is an import tool that allows you to add data to the contact records that already exist. The way that it works is it matches them up based on their contact ID. So the spreadsheet you are importing needs to have a column for the contact IDs of those customers so that when you import it, it knows which records to update with the new information. So if you don't have the contact ID on that spreadsheet, there's a few ways you can do it, right? So are you familiar with VLOOKUP?
Yep, I hate that tool.
Yeah, so VLOOKUP is an Excel or spreadsheet formula, Excel or Google Sheets or whatever your spreadsheet software is. It allows you to take a common variable like email address and grab the contact ID from one spreadsheet and bring it over to the new one. So what I do is I export my whole database. I do a VLOOKUP formula to say, hey, are these people already in there? And if they are, bring over their contact record. And then I can take the new spreadsheet and import it and know that it'll, instead of create unique instances, it'll update the existing records. So it's a little bit of extra work, but what you're doing is you're setting yourself up for fewer duplicate contacts, better data integrity, and staying well within your contact threshold.
Awesome stuff. Greg, thanks for sharing. Get familiar with VLOOKUPs. I hate them. They're a bit of a pain to kind of set up.
YouTube training. There's plenty of videos. How do I VLOOKUP?
I've done it probably 1,000 times, and every single time I have to go find a YouTube video to tell me how to do it. But yes, YouTube, figure out how to do VLOOKUPs, and that will save you a ton of time and lots of hassle with your Infusionsoft account and keeping your list clean. So thanks, and we'll see you on the next tip.
Take care.